Now you can really put yourself into your interactive e-learning thanks to Adobe Captivate 2019 and automatic chroma key. To get started, click the Video Demo button inside of Adobe Captivate. You'll find that you can configure the size and the audio settings for your particular recording from this panel. Notice your webcam appears in preview on the right-hand panel. Click on the Change Background button to get started, and then take my snapshot when you're ready. Captivate will take a snapshot of you sitting in front of whatever wall you happen to be sitting in front of. You can use a green screen or a blue screen for this, or you can use a normal wall. As long as it's all painted one color, you should be fine. Select a vertical line first from your head down to the bottom, and then select a horizontal line across the entirety of you. Now here you'll notice, for example, that my hair didn't quite get selected. I'm going to go back in and just draw a little bit over my hair to make sure that I get it all inside of the mask. Once you're fully selected, click the I am fully selected button to automatically begin previewing with a background. If you're satisfied with the quality of the preview, go ahead and click on My Preview Looks Good. Then you can click anywhere in the background to change and scroll through a number of different available backgrounds. When you see the checkerboards, that's the one that will make the background invisible. That's perfect for this. When you're ready to begin recording, press the Record button. Now Captivate is recording everything that happens on your screen and showing you a preview. You can point out specific features inside of software. You can narrate over the top of a video, any kind of thing that will assist your learning or training. Once you're done, you'll see a preview of the finished video. If I'd like to edit the video, I can click on the Edit button on the lower right-hand corner. Now you can edit the video to suit your particular needs. If, for example, I wanted to change the size of the video overlay, I can simply select it and then scale it to a new size. When you're finished, you can publish your video to your local computer as an MP4 file.